Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Looker Studio data sources after GA4 changes, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer Looker Studio data sources after GA4 changes, begin by opening your Looker Studio account. Navigate to the report that contains the data source you want to transfer. Select the data source from the report's toolbar. Click on the Edit option to enter the data source settings. Next, identify the GA4 data source that requires updating. If your existing data source is based on the previous version of Google Analytics, you'll need to replace it with an updated GA4 connection. Click on Create New Data Source. In the list of available connectors, select Google Analytics. Choose your GA4. After selecting your property, click Connect to create the new data source. Once connected, review the available fields and metrics in the new GA4 data source. Make any necessary adjustments to the fields to ensure they align with your report requirements. Next, head back to your report. Remove the old data source from your report by clicking on it, then selecting the Remove option. Now, add the new GA4 data source by clicking on the Add a Chart or Add a Data Source button. Select the newly created GA4 data source. Make sure all charts and components in your report are linked to the new GA4 data source. Double-check the visualizations to ensure the data is displaying accurately. Finally, save your report to apply the changes. Your Looker Studio data sources are now successfully transferred after the GA4 changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.